my channel. This is Alfia and oh my god, I missed doing YouTube intros. I know that I haven't posted anything in the past 2 months. I owe you guys an apology. Please maaf kijiye mujhe and I will make it up to you. In this video, I want to take you through my 6-month transformation journey because you guys have been literally commenting, Alfia, you look fit, you look slim, you look really like toned, what is happening? So I really wanted to take my own sweet time and not just give you guys like a 2-month transformation journey, 10-day transformation journey. This is something that I've literally put half of the year into, and I'm sitting with my protein shake and my notes. So it's going to be a super detailed video of what I did, how it worked for me. And this is my dream body. When I say it, I mean it, because I don't just love how I look anymore. Like my abs are now showing, my muscles are now showing through my tops. I literally have cuts. मेरे triceps दिखते हैं. Clothes are fitting so well. I am literally, मतलब सारे कपड़े अभी लूज हो चुके हैं. But that's not just the only thing that changed. My body in itself has changed so much because I literally have periods जिसमें मेरे को ना के बराबर पेन होता है. I don't fall sick that often. I can literally run on the treadmill for like 15 minutes straight without panting. I have seen so much improvement in my skin. My metabolism has improved. So I'm literally talking about my dream body inside out. And if you want to know how I achieved it, then keep on watching. Now I found my trigger. In the month of December 2025, I went on a family trip. There are certain pictures that I have with my mom, and those really like shook me because I was like, this is how I've started to look now. I was not happy with my body and I was like, bro, this is not how you want to look. You know that. And then we went on a trip with like friends on 31st December. There's this group picture where I'm wearing the same sweater, and you see me then and see me now. Like my face is so puffy. There's so much water retention. मेरे बालों से मैंने आधा face छुपा दिया. I remember I was not in the best shape and I was not feeling like I'm in my best body, and I knew that I have to change it. And मैं अगले साल मैंने अपना दिमाग बना लिया था that I will freaking make the change. But more than that was this BMI report जिसके बारे में मैं आगे बात करने वाली हूँ. But the markers was so bad. I was overweight, I was obese. I was just not happy with how my reports look like. So I knew that I wanted to make a change. I wanted to do something that I can really stick to in the long run as well. And what followed after that is pure magic. Let's talk about results. That's the best part about this journey, and I don't want you to keep waiting till the end of it. Let's do the best thing first. This is the video that I took before I started the challenge, and oh my god, the bloating, the fat around the abdominal area, I was so conscious about it. This is the video that I took very recently. You see the muscle gain is intense. The fat loss near the abdominal area is also crazy. In fact, my ab is visible through my clothes. Just 2 of them, but they still exist. Physically, my face also changed a lot. Like earlier, obviously there was so much water retention. It used to look puffy, and now my face is so much more chiseled. I can see my jawline through every single picture. And then let's talk about measurements, because that is what matters. The difference in the way your clothes are fitting to you is the real change. I measured myself in the beginning, and these are my measurements. My bust was like 36, upper waist was 31, low waist was 38, hips was 41. And then I measured myself. Now my bust has reduced to 33.5, upper waist is 27, low waist is 31, which is insane, like 7 inches on the waist. Oh my god. Hips is 39. I get it, like my clothes have started to fit me so beautifully. सब कुछ lose हो रहा है, but that's a good problem. Now comes the funniest part, and that is my weight on the scale. I started with 71.5 and currently I am at 67.4. You see that it's barely 3 kilos, but you see the amount of inches that I've lost, how I look in person, and how my face looks. This is the best example that the scale definitely lies. Now I told you guys about a BMI report, right? So when I went on a wellness trip to Thailand, they made me stand on a machine that lets you check what's happening in your body. It's called body mass index. उसमें सारा सच पता चल जाता है कि आपके बॉडी में कितना फैट है, आपके बॉडी में कितना मसल मास है, आपके ऑर्गन्स के अराउंड कितना मास है. And that report was so embarrassing. So I had 34.3% body fat in me, which I'm going to compare with my latest reports. I'm putting them side by side for you to see. My current body fat has reduced to 20.6, which is like a 13.7% drop, which is insane. Now comes the best part. My visceral fat, which basically is the fat around your organs, जितना वो कम रहता है आप उतने healthy रहते हो, because obviously you don't want fat around your heart and you know other vital organs. It was 10, which is like a borderline mark and it's not good at all. And now it is 2. Like imagine there's just 2% visceral fat, which is a massive improvement because 1 to 2 is basically like an athlete's body report, which just blows my mind. And then comes my muscle mass. So earlier it was 25.4 kg, मतलब मेरे body में उतना muscles था, and now it is 30.4. So that means that I've actually gained a lot of muscles, जिसके वजह से आप देखोगे मेरे scale में आपको सिर्फ 3 किलो कम दिखा, because I was not just losing fat, I was also building muscle. So what I did was not a crash diet, was not a weight loss plan. It was body recomposition, where you basically build muscle, lose fat, and I genuinely feel like I finally found something that works so beautifully for my body, and I'm gonna take you through everything that I did now. I knew that I couldn't be able to do this alone, because this time I want to do it very, very seriously, and it's perfect because I found Ask Natural at the perfect timing. They reached out to me to partner with me and I was like, great, let's do it. January is when I change my life. So Ask Natural basically is like platform, like an end-to-end solution to whatever your fitness goals are. I see that they specialize in women that have like PMOS, also have an app. So basically you can upload your meal pictures, you can get your workout schedules there. It's just crazy. Workout से लेके diet से लेके हर एक चीज वो लोग करते हैं, and I wanted something like that. One single platform जिसको पता है कि मैं क्या खा रही हूँ and मैं क्या workout कर रही हूँ, because there will be days when I'm sore, so मुझे बता सकेगा कि आप ये खाओ तो you know you'll recover better. There will be days when I'm sick, तो वो मुझे कुछ workout नहीं कराएगा because he knows that I'm sick. So basically everything under the same circle just helps you be much more like organized, and मतलब actually बहुत tension कम हो जाता है if there is just everything is happening and everyone is in the loop. We got on a video call and we were just discussing what my goals are. I told him that definitely I want to be leaner, but I really want to have muscles because I've realized how important it is for women to have muscles, especially when they turn like 40s 50s, because these muscles they protect your joints. अगर आपको joint pain और ये सब back pain ये सब नहीं चाहिए, now is when you build muscle, because that in the long run is going to save lives. When they say thick thighs save lives, it is for a fact. Number 2, I told him that I have gut health issues. Like anything I do doesn't fix my gut. Like isabgol, chia seed, churran, fiber, nothing makes me poop. And it was honestly a little TMI, but I was like, please fix my gut health. I don't want gut health issues. And number 3, I told him like, listen, I will not be able to like start my day at 9 a.m. and then have my last meal at 7 p.m. Timing is something that I cannot fix. It's not in my hands because कभी shoot होता है कभी नहीं होता है. So that ये 3 चीजें मेरी concern है, ये fix कर दो. And he's like, sure, like it's not that big of a problem. And I'm like, okay, let's see. Number 2, he was asking me what my food preferences are, and I really told him like, listen, I have tried किया eating quinoa, khichdi, chila, oats, and I realized that मेरे से नहीं होता है ये. I'm a hardcore non-vegetarian. Give me my meat. So I told him, please मेरे को chicken, seafood और यही सब देना. Our call was done. He told me to get my blood work done, and thankfully my blood reports were very normal. So we didn't have any concern related to like internal factors. We just wanted to obviously work on the diet and the workout. So once my blood work was done, he gave me like my meal plan. So this is what it looked like. It has everything from what I'm supposed to eat in the morning. उसमें उन्होंने instructions लिखे हैं कि आपको walk करना है meal के बाद. उसमें उन्होंने मेरे को नीचे recipes दे दी है. So like they sent me this entire meal plan, and I was supposed to like start my nutrition where I not just eat healthy, but I also send them food pictures every single time, and that was the biggest challenge. But let me take you through what I used to eat in a day. So first thing, I used to have like potassium water, and it would help with hydration. I also saw that बहुत ही जल्दी जो face की puffiness होती है, जो water retention होता है, उसमें बहुत ही फर्क पड़ा when I started taking that. My breakfast was every day the same. मतलब मैं आज तक भी वही खाती हूँ. 3 boiled eggs. I keep it very simple because सुबह सुबह इतनी मगजमारी नहीं होती है. 3 boiled eggs with yolk, and उसके ऊपर मैं डालती थी MCT oil. Ask Natural makes their supplements also, a few of them. So उनका MCT oil used to be like my topper of everything. So basically वो coconut derived होता है, and उसको अगर आप layman language में बोलोगे तो उसको एक natural Ozempic का भी नाम दिया गया, because it is like good fats. It helps you keep full for longer. It also helps reduce fat, and third thing, it also helps control cravings. And I used to really not feel hungry वो 3 अंडे खाने के बाद भी for good like 3-4 hours. उसके बाद मैं यूजुअली जाती थी वर्कआउट करने, तो वर्कआउट के पहले आई यूज्ड टू टेक दिस L-carnitine which basically a liquid जिसका 1 टेबलस्पून आपको पानी में लेना होता है. It helps you work out better, आपका मसल रिकवरी में भी हेल्प करता है. So that is something that they asked me to like order from iHerb and then I used to take that. वर्कआउट के बाद मेरा यूजुअली लंच ही हो जाता था एंड लंच में I have eaten everything. There are days when I have eaten like wraps. Now the wrap was made up of almond flour. Number 2, I have eaten like chicken with a lot of veggies. अलग अलग टाइप का चिकन, कभी सॉस वाला, कभी ड्राई वाला. I have eaten kebabs. I have eaten seek. I have also some days eaten pasta. फिर जैसे ही मेरा लंच होता था उसके बाद शाम में अराउंड मेरे को थोड़ी बहुत भूख लगती थी. So I would have like green tea sometimes. Sometimes I used to have like nuts with मखाना, hazelnut हो गया, पिस्ता हो गया. कभी मैं ग्रीक योगर्ट खा लेती थी. एंड जिस दिन मेरे को लगता था कि यार मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है आज डिनर करने का, मैं शूट पे हूँ या कुछ, then I would also have like protein shake. So One Science का isolate whey protein recommend किया था मुझे यश ने. It does not give you any amount of bloating. It's like clean protein, comes in beautiful delicious flavors. So I used to also have that. But on days I'm not taking protein shake and मैं डिनर कर रही हूँ तो मैंने डिनर में खाया है चिकन तंदूरी, मैंने खाया है फिश की करी, मैंने खाया है शिराताकी नूडल्स, a lot of it. I've eaten pizza but pizza का base was gluten free. After I was done with my dinner I used to take some supplements. So the only supplement that they asked me to take was magnesium. Now you see कि मेरे meals में आपको carbs नहीं दिख रहा है. My plan was pretty much like a keto plan where carbs were very very limited. There were days when I've eaten roti also, when I've eaten rice also, I've eaten burger also, because that is life, that is normal. But that was like a 80-20 ratio. अब keto में usually carbs बहुत कम होते हैं and आपको बहुत ज़्यादा good fats लेने होता है like cheese, butter, ghee. So that is something that he would like keep asking me to add more to my meals. And number 3, it is rich in protein. So that basically was what I ate for almost like 6 months. अब बहुत लोगों को ये था कि यार तू कीटो कर रही है एंड तेरा कोलेस्ट्रॉल बढ़ जाएगा, तू कीटो कर रही है so you might not be pooping well because like where is fiber. And I was like, firstly my gut health has never been better. There has been not a single day where I've struggled to poop. Like that has been my alarm to wake up and leave the bed, and this is never my life. Like I have had the best and the smoothest gut health ever, and that's because ghee used to act like a fiber in my diet. Number 2, जो cholesterol वाला point है ना, उसके लिए भी I got my blood work done very very recently and I was shocked with the results. मेरे blood work के हिसाब से my cholesterol levels are literally lower than normal, which is like mind blowing because अगर मैं इतना चीज, इतना घी, इतना बटर खा रही हूँ तो मेरा कोलेस्ट्रॉल तो बढ़ना चाहिए. But technically I have a very healthy body, so the keto and cholesterol, it's a myth. So in terms of workouts, Ask Natural के पास आप योगा कर सकते हो ऑनलाइन, आप स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग कर सकते हो ऑनलाइन. एंड आई वाज लाइक श्योर बट आई ऑल्सो वांट टू ट्राई समथिंग न्यू. लाइक आई ऑलवेज वांट टू ट्राई न्यू फॉर्म्स ऑफ वर्कआउट. मैंने जुम्बा ट्राई किया है इन द पास्ट, मैंने योगा ट्राई किया है. अब मेरे को पिलाटेस आई वाज लाइक नॉट श्योर, सो आई वाज लाइक teach me something fun. So he was like, I can like teach you kickboxing. So in the beginning we used to do alternate of like kickboxing and strength training, where he used to come and like train me for boxing, and then the rest of the days we would do like online strength training with his trainers. But boxing के वजह से I actually lost a very significant amount of fat in the first 3 months only, because kickboxing is the fastest way for you to like actually lose fat. It is the highest form, like you burn crazy amount of calories. And then eventually we used to do like online strength training. So they used to divide it into days where एक दिन वो लोग upper body कराते थे, एक दिन lower कराते थे, एक दिन full body कराते थे. I've also done yoga with them. So all in all, like everything online, very very seamless. And honestly my progress was so insane because I could see कि जो मैं month 1 में 25 kgs उठा रही हूँ, मैं month 4 में 40 kgs उठा रही हूँ. So I'm seeing like my push-ups have improved. Like I can do 15 push-ups now and the speed of the push-ups are crazy. I can lift so much more heavier and it is crazy because honestly I never knew I had that much strength in me. So all in all I feel like I have not toned, but I've also gotten so much stronger, which was my goal since day one. 2 other things that I realized with my workouts is that how eventually my periods became pain-free. Like earlier I used to have delayed periods. एक हफ्ता delay हो रहा है, 15 दिन delay हो रहा है. अब मेरे periods 28 days cycle ही follow करते हैं. And there are times, especially the last 2-3 months में ऐसे हुआ है कि मुझे cramps ना के बराबर हुए. Like earlier earlier I used to really go crazy, especially on my second day, but कल मेरा second day था और मैं workout कर रही थी and it is literally so beautiful. Number 2, my skin has improved so much. Like January में मेरी skin बहुत flared up थी. वो अलग बात है कि वो period delay pill के वजह से हुई, but the fact that it recovered also so quickly and better is because that thing was flushing out of my system, but I was also nourishing my body with really good food and with workouts. So now my skin really glows without even having a 10-step skincare routine. So here's a very transparent showcase of everything that I did to achieve my dream body. Now I know that you might have some questions and I would be happy to answer, but it's not my expertise. So I'm gonna have the expert, my nutritionist Yash Patel, answer some important questions that could be your queries. So comments में reply करने के बजाय हमने सोचा कि हम एक segment बनाते हैं where he would actually come on screen and answer them. So let's do that now.
So guys, fruits is another joke of the century. पहली बात तो आपको 5 to 7 years पहले सब लोग बोलते थे कि फ्रूट जूसेस हेल्दी होते हैं. I have been telling everyone that fruits are trash, but no one listened to me. अभी 1-2 साल पहले आप लोगों को सारे इंस्टाग्राम पे रील्स कन्विंस कर रहे हैं कि ओके फ्रूट जूस इज हेल्दी, फ्रूट जूस इज नॉट हेल्दी, यू शुड अवॉइड फ्रूट जूसेस, बट आप रॉ फ्रूट्स खा सकते हो. वेट फॉर अनदर 5 years and these guys will tell you fruits are also equally unhealthy. फ्रूट्स के अंदर जो शुगर आती है गाइस वो आती है फ्रुक्टोज. नाउ फ्रुक्टोज इज द वर्स्ट काइंड ऑफ शुगर फॉर somebody who has insulin resistance and I'll tell you why. Because fructose आपके ग्लूकोमीटर में रीडिंग नहीं दिखाती है. तो अगर आप 50 एप्पल भी खा लोगे ना, आपका ब्लड ग्लूकोज एकदम बढ़िया स्टेबल दिखेगा आपको, बिकॉज उसमें ग्लूकोज बहुत कम होता है, फ्रुक्टोज बहुत हाई होता है. बट ये जो शुगर है फ्रुक्टोज, ये डायरेक्टली आपके लिवर में मेटाबोलाइज होती है और इसी की वजह से होता है नॉन एल्कोहलिक फैटी लिवर. ठीक है, बिकॉज ये फ्रुक्टोज आपके लिवर में मेटाबोलाइज होती है और आपको फैटी लिवर के चांसेस बढ़ जाते हैं. दिस इज द रीजन व्हाई वी हैव नॉट गिवन फ्रूट्स. इनफैक्ट द क्वेश्चन इज हाउ विल आई गेट vitamins and minerals if I will not have fruits? So this is again a very long answer, but if I have to keep it very crisp for your understanding, I do not eat fruits. Alfia did not have fruits in her diet. Do you think we are deficient in any nutrients? Fruits के अंदर बहुत सारे nutrients guys जो आते हैं ना, वो second class nutrients होते हैं. They are not first class. जैसे for example, just आपके understanding के लिए एक example सुन लो. Mango के अंदर तो vitamin A आता है, but वो जो vitamin A आता है वो होता है beta carotene. It is not retinol. So vitamin A सिर्फ vitamin A नहीं होता guys, उसके भी सब डिविजन्स होते हैं. एक सुपीरियर होता है, एक इंफीरियर होता है. तो बीटा कैरोटीन आपकी बॉडी के लिए उतना यूजफुल है भी नहीं. रेटिनॉल एग्स में आता है और एग्स हम ऑलरेडी अल्फिया के डाइट में डाल के खाते हैं. सो दैट मीन्स फ्रूट्स आर एब्सोल्युटली यूजलेस फॉर योर बॉडी. सो गाइस, आई एम गोना गिव यू 3 to 4 मेन रीजन व्हाई यू शुड नॉट ईट फाइबर एंड व्हाई मी एंड अल्फिया डिस्पाइट नॉट ईटिंग फाइबर स्टिल हैव अ गुड गट हेल्थ. रीजन नंबर 1, फाइबर इज इनडाइजेस्टेबल गाइस. इनडाइजेस्टेबल पर ही पूरी स्टोरी खत्म हो जाती है. इसके आगे कुछ क्वेश्चन आंसर नहीं बचता. ह्यूमन बॉडी डज नॉट have enzyme to digest fiber or to break down fibers. काऊ की बॉडी में होता है, herbivores की बॉडी में होता है, बट ह्यूमन बॉडी में नहीं होता है. एंड दैट्स वाई फाइबर जैसे आप खाते हो वैसे के वैसे ही निकल जाता है. ठीक है, सो दैट इज वन रीजन वाई यू शुड नॉट ईट फाइबर. इसके पीछे डिसबायोसिस का लॉजिक है, बट कभी समझने में इंटरेस्ट है तो आप मुझे डीएम करना. अभी आई एम कीपिंग इट शॉर्ट. नंबर 2, फाइबर्स बेसिकली इनसॉल्युबल फाइबर्स जो कि बहुत सारे वेजिटेबल्स में भी आते हैं, ग्रेन्स में भी आते हैं, उनका जो आउटर सरफेस होता है, बिकॉज आई जस्ट सेड इट्स इनडाइजेस्टेबल राइट, सो वी आर कन्विंस्ड देयर. उनका जो आउटर सरफेस होता है वो इतना स्क्रैचिंग अ सैंड पेपर अगेंस्ट योर इंटेस्टाइन. नाउ थिंक अबाउट इट. किसी को वाउंड्स है इंटेस्टाइन के अंदर, किसी को आईबीएस है, किसी को इन्फ्लेमेशन है इंटेस्टाइन के अंदर. आप एक सैंड पेपर से रगड़ दोगे उनके इंटेस्टाइन को, हाउ विल इट फील? इन्फ्लेमेशन बढ़ेगा या घटेगा? दिस इज व्हाट फाइबर कैन डू टू यू. नॉट लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, आप लोगों में से कितने लोग हैं जिन्होंने लाइफ में एक भी बार एंटीबायोटिक्स नहीं लिया है? आपके पहचान में कोई? 5, 6, 10 बार. आप में से कितने तो ऐसे होंगे जो हर साल एंटीबायोटिक्स लेते होंगे? एंटीबायोटिक्स आपके गट के माइक्रोबायोम को मारता है. तो आप जितने भी लोग जिंदा हो, 50%, 70%, 60%, 30% ऐसा गट माइक्रोबायोम लेके बैठे हो, किसी का भी 100% गट माइक्रोबायोम या गट बैक्टीरिया जिंदा नहीं है. तब आप मुझे बताओ, आप इतना फाइबर खाओगे, वो फाइबर खाने के लिए गट माइक्रोबायोम है क्या आपके पास अवेलेबल जिंदा? तो जब वो फाइबर आपने खा लिया, यू हैव सेंट food for the dead, somebody who does not exist. Now that food will ferment, it will create bulk in your stool. थोड़ा सा समझने में डिफिकल्ट होगा, बट जो आपको स्टूल का साइज छोटा था, ड्यू टू विच इट वॉज ईजी फॉर यू टू पास स्टूल, नाउ दैट स्टूल इज इवन बिगर. इससे आपको फिट्सुला हो सकता है, फिशर हो सकता है, हेमोरॉइड्स हो सकता है. दिस इज व्हाई यू शुड नॉट हैव फाइबर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, यू शुड नेवर बी स्केर्ड ऑफ कोलेस्ट्रॉल. कोलेस्ट्रॉल इज नॉट समथिंग दैट कैन डू मच टू यू. इट इज द ऑक्सीडाइजेशन ऑफ कोलेस्ट्रॉल दैट यू शुड बी वरीड अबाउट. सिंपल लैंग्वेज में, केरोसिन अकेला प्रॉब्लम नहीं देता. अगर आप इसको माचिस से जला के एक्सप्लोड करते हो तो माचिस और केरोसिन का मिलाप, इनको मिक्स करने के बाद एक्सप्लोजन होता है. कोलेस्ट्रॉल इनफैक्ट आप लोग जितने भी लोग देख रहे हो आप गूगल पे सर्च करना कि हाउ मेनी पीपल हु डाइड ऑफ हार्ट अटैक और हार्ट इश्यूज हैड नॉर्मल कोलेस्ट्रॉल, एंड यू विल बी शॉक्ड टू सी दैट देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल हु डाइड ऑफ हार्ट इश्यूज और कार्डियक अरेस्ट हैड नॉर्मल कोलेस्ट्रॉल लेवल. सो कोलेस्ट्रॉल अलोन इज नॉट द प्रॉब्लम गाइस, ऑक्सीडाइजेशन ऑफ दैट कोलेस्ट्रॉल इज द प्रॉब्लम. आप अल्फिया के डाइट में देखते हो कि घी है, बटर है, एग्स है. मैं 20 एग्स खा रहा हूँ फ्रॉम लास्ट 6 to 7 years and I can show you my blood report. My triglycerides is 59. Ideal triglycerides should be below 130 or 150. अल्फिया का कोलेस्ट्रॉल लेवल also got better. The thing is हम इतना कोलेस्ट्रॉल खा रहे हैं, घी बटर खा रहे हैं, तो हमारा कोलेस्ट्रॉल तो अभी तक हम लोगों ने होना ही नहीं चाहिए था. The fact is, the reason is because we are not oxidizing cholesterol. So when we are having cholesterol, there is no triglycerides level going up. तो आपको टोटल कोलेस्ट्रॉल नंबर से चिपक के नहीं रहना है कि oh it is 220 I should be worried or 250 I should be worried. No, what you should be worried about is triglycerides level. If the triglycerides level are below 150 or 130, consider yourself healthy. Now अल्फिया आपको अपने triglycerides level दिखाएंगे and then you see कि इतना eggs butter घी खाने के बाद इसके triglycerides level से cholesterol level इतने अच्छे कैसे हैं. आप comments में लिखिए, अगर आप डॉक्टर हैं तो प्लीज लिखिए. Only piece of advice I'd like to give to almost everyone out there who is dealing with PCOS or diabetes or fat gain or any sort of metabolic issues that they are going through. Guys, आप लोगों को जो एक आइडियल नैरेटिव दिया गया है फिटनेस का वो थोड़ा सा गलत है. यू डू नॉट नीड सो मच ऑफ डिसिप्लिन, यू डू नॉट नीड अ वॉरियर लाइक माइंडसेट, यू डू नॉट नीड सो मच ऑफ पनिशमेंट टू बी एबल टू बी फिट एंड हेल्दी. बहुत ही बेसिक बॉर्डर लाइन हेल्प लगती है आपको, बहुत ही बेसिक बॉर्डर लाइन हार्डवर्क भी लगता है, उसके ऊपर सब कुछ स्ट्रैटेजी का गेम है. एट आस्क नेचुरल व्हेन अल्फिया जॉइंड इन, शी हैड excess body fat also, she used to be bloated. Within 1 to 2 months we could take her out of all these issues, and it was not hard work. Yes, of course she is very hard working and we were working out and we were doing stuff, but that does not mean कि वो सिर्फ उसी की वजह से हुआ है. अगर आप PCOS या डायबिटीज या थायराइड या कुछ भी हेल्थ इश्यूज से जा रहे हो, डोंट थिंक दैट इफ यू क्लाइम 50 माले का बिल्डिंग 50 बार एक दिन में तो आपका वो PCOS ठीक हो जाएगा. यू डोंट नीड सो मच ऑफ हार्ड वर्क, यू जस्ट नीड अ क्लेवर strategy, and that's exactly what we do at Ask Natural.
And that is it for this video. Honestly speaking, the first 3 months was enough for me to get like the major transformation. So take this as your sign to not waste the rest of the year. Lock in whatever your dream body is, whatever your fitness goal is. It's not too late. And I feel like partnering with Ask Natural really blew my mind because I had so many myths and now my entire perspective has changed. If you have been wanting to get their assistance but you're not sure, I'm going to leave free consultation number right here. You can just call them and get your consultation. All the other details will be in the description box below. I hope this video serves to be an inspiration for anybody who wants to achieve their dream body. And with this, I am signing off and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to stick around. Bye.